In this video, we're going to take a look at the Epson 1485 projector. This projector operates with a laser, so it doesn't involve bulbs. So the brightness should remain constant through the life of the machine. With that, you will need to keep in mind the amount of light flowing into your room may need to be adjusted to allow for ease of viewing. The viewing angle on the boards, though, is well over or almost up to 180 degrees, just shy of 180 degrees, so it's got a really nice viewing angle. The way that the interactivity works is that there is a laser curtain, an infrared curtain that beams down, and so as you break through that plane, the projector is able to sense where you are in relation to the board or to the PC screen that you're interacting with, and it allows you to manipulate. With that, though, it's important that you don't have shiny objects around the board. So if you think of, perhaps in the winter festive seasons, you throw some tinsel around your board, that is really going to throw the projector for a loop because the laser curtain will be picking up the reflection off of that, which would not be good for your interactivity. With the board, it comes with two pens. At the top of the pens, there's a yellow or an orange pen, and then there's a blue pen. Because each of the pens will have different functionality. When I'm in PC interactivity with the PC interactivity mode on, so I'm in PC operation mode, both pens will operate like a mouse with the ability to use right clicks and whatnot. When I'm in annotation mode, both pens will operate independent of each other in whatever color input that you've set up. The pens operate much like a remote control. So they emit infrared beam. So as you break through the laser curtain, it senses the infrared beam and allows the pen to operate. The board comes with a magnetized cartridge that will hold the pens in it. It's important that you do not place this on the board itself in the way of the curtain, because it will impact how the laser curtain is responding to the pens. We suggest that you place them off to the side. Also, if you're placing it near the board, it's important not to put the pens tip up because they are continuing to emit and can interfere with the board. So we recommend putting the tips in, tip down. They are battery operated, and so they will need a recharge from time to time.